In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix blog to Wix. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you're on the correct website you want to edit. Once you're in, go to your site dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage your website settings, content, and features, so it's the right place to begin when you want to add something new to your site. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. Click on Apps to continue. This area gives you access to extra tools and features that can expand what your Wix website can do. If you're planning to add a blog, store, booking system, or other functionality, this is usually where you'll find it. After that, click on App Market. The App Market is where Wix keeps its available apps and built-in integrations, and it's designed to make adding new features quick and simple. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar and type in Wix blog. This will help you find the official blogging app without having to browse through multiple categories. When you see Wix blog in the search results, click on it to open the app page. Take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the correct app. This is the official blog tool from Wix, and it allows you to create blog posts, organize categories, and manage your blog content directly from your website dashboard. Next, click Add to Site. Wix will begin installing the blog feature onto your website. Depending on your connection and the size of your site, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. Once it's added, Wix will automatically connect the blog to your website so you can start customizing it. At this point, the blog has been added to your Wix site. From there, you can move on to editing the blog layout, writing your first post, and adjusting the design to match the look of your website. If you don't see the changes right away, try refreshing your dashboard or opening the editor to confirm that the blog section has been added. And that's it. That's how to add Wix blog to Wix. It's a simple process, and once it's installed, you'll be ready to start publishing content and growing your site with blog posts.